Okay. So which we will use to receive to do the transformations with the Snowflake. Okay, which is that is a DBT tool, data build tool. Okay. Yes. This is just a small intro about me. Okay. Uh, can we have each one of you just 5 minutes or 2 minutes? Just what is your name and what is your background? Currently working or not? And this one, just Venkat.
Yeah, I'm Venkat and I am a ETL developer. Currently, for last 4 months, I have no job. I'm in the market now and I'm searching job. Informatica developer, actually. That's ETL developer.
So previously you worked on a ETL tool.
Yes,
That
yeah.
is Informatica.
What is it? Sorry.
That is on Informatica you have worked.
Yes, yeah.
How many years of experience you have?
8+ years experience in Informatica.
Okay, only Informatica.
No, I couldn't get. What is
No,
that?
no,
What
only
question?
Informatica you are saying?
Yeah, that's Informatica. For that Informatica, the databases, Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, DB2,
Okay,
and
okay. So that means yeah, okay, okay. Then you have all these are knowledge, like SQL you have knowledge on
yeah, I have. Yeah,
databases, all these things. Okay.
yeah. And sometimes we have to work in that mainframe JCL coding also.
Okay. Then you are saying currently you are not working.
Yeah, I'm in the market now. I'm searching, but the market is down slowly because of the year ending.
Okay, okay. Okay, sure. Yeah, what about you, Arun? Arun?
Yeah, Amar, you can carry on.
Yeah, sure, sure. Okay, okay. Cool. Yeah, Arif anyway, Arif, Arif also previously has worked in non-IT background in finance sector and currently he was shifted to Snowflake side. Currently he was working, okay, but he do want to explore the Snowflake also. That's why he's joined. So that's it. Okay. So we'll get started. Okay. So let me share my screen and walk you through this. Any idea do you have, Venkat, on Snowflake's background? Because you already have some knowledge on this Oracle, MySQL
Yeah.
database or PostgreSQL, all these one,
So
correct?
this cloud, my understanding is it's a cloud base and we have some futures that is apart from the cloud, other clouds. That's time travel and
Okay, okay,
some stagings and all. That's all I know actually. But I haven't
okay,
worked.
okay, okay, sure, sure, okay, no issues. Okay, so I'll just walk you through that demo PPT, okay, so that you will get a brief knowledge on what is Snowflake or how it is different from your traditional data warehouses, okay, which you already have some sort of knowledge. Clear? Okay. Now see. Snowflake is a data warehouse tool. It is not a database. That is a primary or first and foremost point we need to understand. Snowflake is a data warehouse, not a database. Okay. And the second point is it is a cloud data warehouse. It is not a traditional data warehouse. Like you have Microsoft SQL Server is there, Oracle is there, or IBM DB2 is there, or some other traditional data warehouses are there. Okay. So there is a lot of difference between traditional data warehouses and this cloud data warehouses. So Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse. Okay, so what is main purpose of data warehouse? Where it will store all your historical data and you can run your analytical operations on the historical data. What is meant by analytical operations? Like building your Power BI reports, okay, or giving you your data, you can pass it as input to your AI model or ML model. All your analytical operations will be done on the historical data only. Okay, so that's why what we will do is whatever data that every day it is generating with 1 day gap or 2 days gap, we'll shift the data from database to data warehouse. Okay, then on that historical data, you will build all your reports, Power BI kind of reports, or what in whatever way based on your usage or requirement, the data you can consume. Okay, so the raw data we will load into data warehouse. Then you can process that raw data into useful formats. Okay, so like you can apply any ETL tool and convert raw data into useful formats. Then that data you can show it to any third party user, or you can give the data as input to some AI ML application, or you can use the data as a data product, or it can be used as a data mesh, or you can build some Power BI reports where business people can make some decisions on the data what they are looking. Okay. Now to do all these things, what you need the infrastructure, correct? Okay, you need a storage, you need compute power, and whatever infrastructure that you are building, it should be flexible, it should be elasticity, it should be scalable, easy to handle, security wise, and software updations. So lot many features will come, correct? Okay. Now that are the like lot of drawbacks from the traditional data warehouse. Okay, because traditional data warehouses are developed in the latest of like late 1950s or 1940s around of era, like 50, 60 years back. Okay, so at that time, what is that amount of data generation? Very less, and type of the data also it is very less. Okay, so at that time, whatever that they have developed, it is enough or it is good for that time period. But now what is happened? The internet usage has increased drastically. The amount of data that is generating per day or per user also it is increasing in a rapid growth. And type of data also it is changed. Okay, so previously it is only some CSV and JSON kind of data only. Now what is happening? The unstructured data, semi-structured data increased more. You are receiving videos, you are receiving images, all these things. It is a unstructured data. Then traditional data warehouses are not able to handle these type of data and the amount of data also, like in terms of petabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, like that. Okay, so that's why nowadays from last 5 to 6 years, all the business applications, our clients, they are shifting from traditional data warehouses to cloud. Okay, because of its greater advantages, features, and easy to usage and cost effective wise also. Okay, so that is the main reason from last 5 or 6 years onwards, the growth of cloud data engineers has increased more or drastically. Clear? Okay. So out of in present market, you have four cloud data warehouses are providing. Okay, one is Snowflake. Second one is BigQuery. That is GCP developed Google one, Google BigQuery. Third one is AWS Redshift, and fourth one is Azure Databricks or Azure Data Factory, whatever it is. Okay. So out of that one, Snowflake is something unique that we can say because remaining all the three cloud service, apart from data warehouse, they are providing remaining all services also. But Snowflake is mainly focusing on the data warehouse applications only. Clear. So that is the main reason that Snowflake is somewhat like having good opportunities kind of thing. Clear? Okay. Now, why we need to process this data? Like, see, this is what the data generation trends that as I mentioned. Okay. As internet usage is increased drastically, amount of data generation also increased drastically. Now you need to process that large amount of data. For that, you need the infrastructure where it can able to handle dynamic data or lot more amount of data, variety of data, types of data. Okay, so this is what the variety of data that you are receiving. Okay, like JSON data, XML data, videos, social media, images, all this kind of thing. Okay. Then based on number of social media applications are there, the amount of data generation also increased drastically. Okay. Clear. Now why we need cloud data engineering? See, data is there, but that is a raw data. Then what you have to do if I want to get what are business insights in the data, I need to convert raw data into like transformer data. For that, what we need? Okay, we need engineers or data engineers where that is particular skill person can able to process the data. Like see, managing large volumes of data. Okay, optimizing cloud resources. What are pipelines that you are building? Okay, that should be run on a cost optimization techniques. Okay, then supporting real-time analytics. Okay, suppose if you're working on any production kind of thing, okay, or any Power BI kind of thing, or you need to process data continuously with the time, then you need real-time data pipelines are required. Okay, so driving digital transformation. Now everything got shifted to online or a traditional this one electronic mode. So this amount of data that we need to manage. Okay, so that's why we need cloud data engineers with some good skill set on the cloud data warehouse knowledges, along with that some SQL. Clear? Okay, so that is the main requirement or main reason for the growth of or demand for this cloud data engineers. Okay. Now see what is Snowflake and its architecture. Okay. So as mentioned, like lot of drawbacks are there in the traditional data warehouses that has overcome in the cloud data warehouses. That is what in Snowflake. Okay. So Snowflake is uniquely comes up with some new architecture called this one. Okay. Where data storage, warehouse, virtual warehouses and cloud service layer. These two layers, three layers are separated independently. Okay, so that means whatever the major drawback are there on the traditional data warehouse, which where the compute power and data storage is tightly coupled, but here it is decoupled. Okay, if I want to give some example, let's say you are going and you are purchasing some PC or you are purchasing some laptop. Okay, what are the the configurations it is available? If I take 250 GB hard disk or 4 GB RAM, or if I increase my storage capacity, let's say if I go to 500, then it is better for you to take this one, like increasing RAM also, correct? Or if you're purchasing any PC, okay, you don't get a PC with 2 GB data and 4 GB RAM. Definitely we will not put, correct? But that is what my requirement for my data. I want that kind of PC only. Then here you will get that one. Okay? Clear. So that is a decoupling of or no connection is there between storage capacity and the compute power. I can store 40 TB or 100 TB of data in my storage, and I can have a computer with 4 GB RAM. Clear. So because two are tightly decoupled. Okay. So that is what the main advantage in the Snowflake architecture. Apart from that, it has a lot many features are there that anyway we're going to discuss. Okay, then all three are communicating with each other and they will process the data, what you are giving as input. Okay. Now see, this is the main Snowflake key features that you can see. Storage and computer are separated. Okay. So it is scalability and elasticity will be there. Elasticity. Okay. That means you can increase RAM or size of that particular virtual warehouse. Okay. Or same number of clusters if you want to create, you can create that one. Okay, so Snowflake handles with both structured data and semi-structured data, which is a greater advantage. Clear. And we have the multi-cluster architecture. Okay, so whenever like we have Hadoop systems are there, correct? Okay, so which is for multi-cluster architecture. Okay, then on top of it is also still having some drawbacks. Okay, that are again it is overcoming in the Snowflake. Okay, which is a multi-cluster architecture. That means centrally one node will be there and it is connected to some other nodes. Okay. Then we have zero copy cloning option, which is a very unique feature in Snowflake that you will get. Okay, whenever you want to do some testing in your lower environment, that is in dev environment or UAT. Okay, so but data is there in production. Then simply you can create a copy of that production data. Then you can do your testing. That is called zero copy cloning. So that you will not get any additional storage cost. Only compute cost you will get, but no additional costs are there. That's why it is called zero copy cloning. Okay, clear. So next one is secure data sharing. What is for next is secure data sharing that you will get. Okay, simple thing. So what is this secure data sharing? Whenever you want to transfer your data to share it to some third party users, then you can do it that one. Okay, by creating a reader account or share object, you can give the data of yours to your business partner. The data sharing option that you will. Okay. And this is what the growth of this one like job opportunities and how the market for this cloud data warehouses. Okay, that you can see it here. Okay. Sorry, I forgot this one. So integration of Snowflake with other tools, like see, you have Snowflake is a Snowflake can be easily connected with Matillion. Snowflake can be connected with Power BI. Snowflake can be connected with AWS. Snowflake can be connected with DBT. Okay, so any ETL tool or any other tools that you are available in the market, we can easily integrate that tool with your Snowflake. Okay, so that you have the greater advantage of both infrastructure advantages of Snowflake and ETL advantages of whatever ETL tool that you are using. Okay, so that is a major like advantage from the Snowflake side integration with third-party tools. Clear? Okay. Any questions? Just.
So this will connect to that Informatica also, no? So
Yeah,
there will be
Informatica also I think we can connect. I have not
okay.
tried it yet, but yes,
Okay.
any ETL tool that you can connect.
Okay.
Yeah. Because Informatica like ETL tool, correct? So you have source somewhere, something will be there, and target something will be there. You'll go ahead with the connections. Then after
Yeah.
that, the water pipeline that you have built, so it will connect it to those respective locations or sources, and it will process the data by using the infrastructure of that particular sources or target. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that is what
Yes.
it will be. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see. Let me share my screen. Yeah, so this is what the Snowflake architecture that we are going to discuss. Clear, okay. Now we'll see what is Snowflake, okay? See, as mentioned, Snowflake is a cloud-based data platform and it is a SaaS product, okay? So what is SaaS product means? It is a simple software as a service kind of thing. Okay, so it is a SaaS product that you will receive. Okay, so what is cloud native? That means it is available only a cloud version. Okay, on-premise version it will not there. It is a cloud tool only. It is there. Okay, and like mainly it is a data platform. Okay, so data platform is you can use it to any kind of data related. Okay, see, so that is what you will see. So what is data platform means? You can use Snowflake as a data warehouse. You can use it as a data lake. You can use it as a data engineering application or so as a data science application or data sharing and data applications. Okay. So data warehouse means all your transformations, all your analytical operations, SQL logic, stored procedures, everything will comes in this data warehouse. Okay. So what is data like meaning? Simply what are raw data you have, that raw data you are dumping it to some place. Okay. Then there you are storing. Whenever it is required, you at that time only you will process the data. Okay, so generally like meaning of lake is nothing but storage, correct? So that is what the simple data lake where the data will be stored. Data engineering applications, okay, then all your pipelines, everything it is, you can build on that one. Data science, what are data, that raw data or transformer data that you can use as an input to your AI ML model. Okay, then missions will, the data will be consumed by the machine learning applications and it will process that results. Okay, so data sharing, as mentioned, like you can share your data to any of your like business partners or third-party users. Okay, even though they don't have any Snowflake account, okay, you can create any reader account on your account, then you can share those details to them so that they can able to consume your data. And any data applications that you can run on this Snowflake platform. Okay? Okay.
So you told any application. So what do you mean by that?
See, applications means see, like suppose you can connect your Python with Snowflake.
Okay.
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 Or any like IDE tool is there, correct? Like VS Code or IDE intelligence tool, anything that you can connect with Snowflake.
Okay.
Okay. So like what are these ones are there? Like what are simple tools are there or for your working purpose? Those easily you can combine with Snowflake. Clear? Or any
Yeah.
API. Suppose if you want to write any API, okay. So where it will that API will trigger, it will connect it to the source, it will extract the data and convert the data into any file format like .csv file, and it will compress and it will put it in some AWS S3 bucket location. Okay, so this kind of process. Okay. So that is what the like applications will come here.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
And then see, so as mentioned, it is Snowflake is a only software purpose built for the cloud. Okay, and it is available only on the AWS, GCP, or Azure. That means if you are taking your Snowflake account, you have to deploy your Snowflake account into any of these cloud services. Okay, clear. So that means your Snowflake will be hosted by these three services. Okay, whatever the service that you are choosing in that particular cloud, your Snowflake account will be deployed. Indirectly, like Snowflake is using AWS or GCP or Azure features. Okay, but for our the cloud provider is Snowflake, but in the background, okay, like Snowflake will be using the resources of AWS, GCP or Azure. Okay, clear. So that is what it will be. Okay. Then here, like Snowflake makes use of clouds, elasticity, scalability, high availability, cost efficiency, and durability. Okay, so these are the main key features of Snowflake that you will get. Okay. Then see, this is another advantage from Snowflake side. Okay. So as you are like much more awareness, suppose let's say if you are using a traditional data warehouse, you are using Oracle. Okay. Clear. Then what is happening? Oracle after every 6 months or 1 year, the software will be updated, correct? Okay. So at that time, what you have to take? Okay. So you have to hold for some time, or you need to take up your backup of your data and update that particular software. What you need to like update. Then after that, once it is update is done, then again you will resume that to the production line, correct? Okay. So that is what the daily practice a data, like a traditional data in data warehouse that you are doing. Okay, then here what is happening, a lot of complexities are there. First, you need to take backup of your data. Then you need to stop your business for a while. Then you need to update that particular software. Post that you have to do the testing. Then the prior management has to approve that one. After that only deployments and everything will get run, correct? Okay, so which is a time consuming process, cost will be there and not the feasible kind of solution. Okay, and it is interrupting the business. Okay, whereas if I use the Snowflake as a cloud data warehouse, okay, then we no need to take care of any hardware and software management. Okay, let's say Microsoft is like deactivating Windows 11 and all the users has to be use Windows 12 only. If you are maintaining your data warehouse, then you need to update that software. But here I am using Snowflake. Then instead of doing me, Snowflake will do for me. Okay, so that my business will not stop. Okay, so even a single minute also or single second also business will not stop. Continuously business will run. There is no shutdown period. Okay, so that is what the no hardware of like or no management of hardware and transfer and updates and patches. Okay, like if any new feature they brought up, okay, some optimization techniques they brought up into Snowflake that automatically adds to your Snowflake account or it is used available for you to use that particular feature. Okay, subscription model. Okay, so for how much amount of data you are storing, for how much time you are consuming the data, processing the data. So based on this one only amount will be calculated. Okay, if you're idle and if you're not using anything, then you're not going to pay any rupee. Clear. Easy of access. Okay, so Snowflake you can connect easily with your like internet connection, and if you're having your Snowflake account URL, username, and password. Okay, no other special training is required to connect with the Snowflake. Okay, then automatic optimization. Whenever Snowflake in the background, okay, Snowflake team will work on optimization techniques continuously. They will gather requirement from the clients. Okay, so let's say some particular client is asking this kind of features. Okay, then Snowflake will check the feasibility of that one. Okay, what is importance of that one? All these things. Then if they found like it is a relevant feature, then they will work and after that they will deploy. Clear? Okay, so that is what it will be there. Okay. Any doubts? Hello.
No doubts.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. So that is what the Snowflake features that it will be there. Clear? Okay. See, next one is Snowflake, multi-cluster shared data architecture that will be there. Okay. Now see, first we'll see what are the drawbacks from the traditional data warehouses, and we'll see like how it is overcoming in the this Snowflake architecture. Okay. Then if in traditional data warehouses, we have two types of there. One is the shared disk architecture. Second one is shared nothing architecture. Okay. So what is shared disk architecture? Only one database is there, but it is connected to number of clusters or number of computers, or like I can say. Okay. Then what is drawback? Main drawback here, your entire data is storing in a single database. Okay, which is a single point of failure. Let's say if the database is not available due to so and so reason, then your business will get stopped. Okay, then because it is a single database, okay, so you cannot keep all your data into single database due to constraints. And accessing of single database to many clusters, it is a like a data lock-in period that you will get. Let's say at a time like 100,000 users are querying a data from single table. Then what happens? Data is not at the same time, data is not available for all these 1,000 users. Data, you have the data lock period will be here. Okay, clear. So that is what the main drawbacks in the shared disk architecture. Okay. Then if I look at the share nothing architecture, so here what is happening? The data itself you are segregating into multiple databases. Okay. But what are data in one database, it is not shared to the other database. So okay. So the segregating of data will be very complex, tedious task here. Okay. And still, even if you have segregated data into different data warehouses, databases, and separate clusters you are providing, still because there is no data sharing, it is the main drawback. Okay, and the data segregation to each database is very difficult task. Okay, so that is what the main drawbacks in the shared nothing architecture also. Okay, so that's why to overcome these issues, okay, so Snowflake is comes up with this new architecture model. That is what the multi-cluster data architecture model. Okay, so in this Snowflake mainly we'll have the three layers. Okay, if someone asks like what is explain the Snowflake architecture means, simply Snowflake is a multi-cluster shared data architecture. That is first point. Second one is it is having mainly three layers. One is data storage layer. Next one is query processing layer or virtual warehouse layer. Third one is called cloud service layer. Okay. And what is another important point is these three service layers are independent of each other. They just connected, that's it. But there is no any restraint. Okay, so that is a decoupled storage, compute and maintaining service or management services. Clear? Okay. So what is data storage means? Okay, where the data will be stored, your data will be stored in a particular database. Okay, there is no any limitations on the size of data that you want to store. If you want to store till infinity, it is available within fraction of seconds. If you don't want, let's say initially I purchased 200 TB of size, but later I decided I don't need 200 TB. I need, it is 150 is sufficient for me. Then you can delete that extra 50 TB of data. But after some time, you thought like it is required. Again you can purchase that one. Okay, and purchase means it is available within fraction of seconds. Okay, so like a pre-purchase will be there, or on the fly also you can purchase. There is no any time delay. If you just need it now, then just rise and like run that particular command or SQL script, whatever it is, then immediately that particular amount of size is available. Okay, so that is what the data storage layer will be there. Alright. So next one is like a query processing layer. Let's say you have stored one table of data. Okay, so data in a particular table, let's say employees table, which is of 10 TB size. Okay. Then I want who are all the employees working in Hyderabad city on my company. I want this data. Then you first submit that query. Okay, so query will come to virtual warehouse. Virtual warehouse is nothing but a piece of computer. Okay, so it is also a computer which is having some RAM and memory. Okay, then first it will check whether data is available or not. If not, it will connect it to remote storage layer or data storage layer. It will pick the data and it will keep inside local memory. Then it will process that query. Again, results is given back to the cloud service layer. Clear? So that is the query processing layer that you will get. Okay, clear. So that is the simple query processing layer that you will get. Simple cases. Okay. So next one is like a cloud service layer. Okay, what is next one? Next one is a cloud service layer that you will get. Okay, so which is like it will mainly maintain all your like management kind of details, software updation, maintaining infrastructure. Okay, so like security issues. Okay, authorization control, maintaining metadata of what data that you are storing in data storage layer. Everything will be taken care in this cloud service layer. Okay, clear. So that's why this cloud service layer is known as the brain of a Snowflake. Clear. So these were the main point that you will get. Clear? Okay. Now what in detail we'll go each layer afterwards. Okay. And from the next class onwards, how data will be stored, what are the different types of data it will store, on demand purchase or on the fly go purchase, whatever it is, we will see. Okay. So multi-cluster data warehouses, virtual warehouses, auto suspend, auto resume. Okay. All these details. Clear? Okay. Any doubts?
Uh, no, I'm clear.
Okay. Okay. So I'll stop it here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll continue next class. I think if tomorrow is holiday, we'll connect on Thursday.
Okay. Is there any timing changes or?
No, it is actually 9 to 10 we have fixed it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
If it is there like morning, it will be there, but morning people are not coming. So that's why we shifted to night.
Well,
Okay.
okay.
Yes, sure.
I
Any questions,
thought,
Arif? Do you have?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Are you preparing?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sure. You can drop off, Arif.
Okay.
Yes, sure. I'll connect with you if anything is there.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sure. Yeah, Venkat?
yeah, my one thing, if it is in the morning, it may be great for me. And
Morning time people are actually we started at the morning, but morning time people are not joining. So that's why we shifted to evening times.
okay, so
Yeah.
if it is myself and Arif, means you can ask Arif if it is he's also willing to join in the morning, then it may be
No,
good.
no,
Or
some more people are there. I think Vijay, one other
oh,
people are there, and
uh-huh,
a few more people also will join. Like two or three more people also there. Maybe today they have not joined, but this is like a first class. So, but
okay.
yeah, maybe they will might join. Yes. But I'm surprising, like you have 8+ years of experience. Why don't you have a job?
Uh, see now the
You can
market
check on my
is
mobile because this is a recording video. So
okay.
in the mobile.
In the mobile? Okay. So you can call me or?
I think, oh yeah.
Yeah.
You tell me your number.
416?
1 second. Sorry?
You have to put number 1, that is for the ISD code. 416.
Or you take my number. I think it is difficult. Yeah.
1 second, I'll make a note. Tell me.
94
94
93
93
93
93
7574.
757. Okay.
Okay, just ping on WhatsApp or you can give me a direct call also. No worries. No worries.
That first one.
You are from US currently?
From Canada.
Oh, okay. I hope it is night.
No,
I mean morning.
now it is, it's 11 o'clock morning.
No,
That's
11
why I
o'clock.
thought if it is in the evening means it will be great for me actually.
Okay.
9393 7574 7574.
9493937574.
Yeah, I added.
You can give WhatsApp call. I think that is a better option.
Yeah. 1 second. 943. I'm calling now. Okay.
Okay. Sure. I'm dropping here. Okay.
Yeah.
Take it. See you. Bye.